Today I'm going to take you on a little trip through Joshua Tree National Park with my good buddies Rick and Chet. Well, hey there, Hudson Henry here. I'm in Joshua Tree National Park with my good buddy Rick LePage from
Howdy.
Complete Digital Photography, and my good buddy Chet Steele from Ridgecrest. He's the legend of the Mojave. Guys just been kind of killing it with photographs on Facebook, and you came to the Moab workshop with me last year, and just really impressed me with his eye. So we've all been out here kind of scouting for a workshop this year. I've never been to Joshua Tree. Chet's never been to Joshua Tree.
This is one of my special places.
Yeah, and Rick's
I've come a bunch.
Yeah, Rick spent a bunch of time here, so thought I'd have him show me around a little bit, and it's amazing.
It is one of the most amazing places on the planet.
You just drive through, there are these fields of Joshua Tree that stretch to the horizon. There's magnificent rock formations. There's arches.
There's rock climbers. There's,
oh my God.
It's just, yeah.
That woman doing the slack line the other night.
That was awesome.
We just dropped the whole landscape idea on a beautiful night and photographed this woman that was trying to slackline. Well, I'll show you some photos and video. It was ridiculous.
It was.
And with the sunset behind her, it was just perfect. Yeah, it was amazing.
It really was amazing. And we ran into a really cool local guy, Brian, who
from Indio.
From Indio, happened upon us when we were photographing the Arch Rock, and did a little Milky Way work. Even though wintertime Milky Way is really low, we still got out there, did some lighting, used some of our cool Lume Cubes and Lume Cube 2s, lit up the Arch, had a nice time there, and then Brian let us know where that really killer little monolith is with the Joshua Tree next to it.
It's like a spire rock and a tree bends over it. And
photographed this morning. I think we're going to reserve that campsite right next to that for the whole workshop.
Yep.
At the so next winter we're going to be coming back here.
Yep.
And I think it's going to be awesome.
It's going to be really nice.
Yeah. All right, so hey everybody, thanks so much for subscribing, tuning in, sharing, liking. Appreciate it heaps. This has been an awesome trip.
Yes, it has.
And I can't wait to get back. Hey, little postscript, just back from Joshua Tree, getting things unpacked, and I had such a good question that popped up in the YouTube channel from last week's video about putting together the Pelican Air case. Well, I had a number of questions about how I liked it. I loved it on the trip. It works perfect as a storage locker, rolls through the airport so nicely and fits perfectly in the overhead. I thought it was awesome, super protective. But, you know, the audio was really off. The video wasn't great through the D850. You know, some of the audio is a little bit my fault for not quite setting the levels right, but the just recording video with the older DSLRs really is rough when you've been using the newer mirrorless cameras to do it. And somebody said, why didn't you use your Z50? And why didn't you pack your Z50? And I just want to, as a postscript, say that the Z50 was with me, and I should have used it because it does great video. And as an example, you'll see some of this and this. And some of these images that I was just kind of using it running around as my camera that I want that's easily accessible in the car when I want something better than the cell phone. So from LA's Manhattan Beach to Joshua Tree, I shot a number of images and quite a bit of video with it. And there will be a full-blown review coming before long. I'm heading off to Baja for a family kiteboarding trip the day that this video airs on YouTube, and I will be working on that review while I'm away in sunny Mexico. All right, hey, thanks everybody. We'll see you next week.